Hey, if you don't know about the cloud code and do you want to learn about the cloud code, the power up command is very useful. So in the 2 minute of video, I completely explain you. First, you go to the VS code and go to the terminal because the power up command working on the terminal. So just I go to here, the terminal. If you not connect your cloud account, so first you go to the here and the cloud, and after that you provide your subscription based account linking, and after that you run that command like power up command, and let's execute that. So that is the power up, because if you don't know how you can working on the cloud code, so that is the complete like a teacher as a act as a teacher. Like power up command is a teacher. You have the first year has a files like at the rate sign, and files you can also select that like that, uh, at the rate, and here you select that your assets file. Like here you see that assets file is here, your complete assets file, and after that you again collect that again file like did get ignore file. I select here my get ignore file, you see that, and that the same files I complete here. If you working on a specific file, you can also run that. If you shift plane mode change for this, if you need a rewind, because if you need a rewind for your task like your cloud code, you can also rewind a task and cloud.md and memory. If you don't know about the cloud.md how they work, you just enter here, and that is a complete your teacher. They completely guide you how the cloud.md file is working. You just click enter and your task is done. And above is the background and task like mcp. You if you don't know about the mcp, you go to here and check that what is the mcp, how the mcp works, and mcp, and here you can also slash that uh like slash mcp, like mcp. You see that your mcp server, you can also connect that which email account, your gmail account. Also you can all more linking your cloud mcp servers. Also make you can also build your mcp accounts. So I just skip that, and you can also check that out: model, efforts, remote control, sub agents, and agent skills, how your that all the commands is working on your terminal. Some of cases here's working like you can change your efforts and plane mode, and here's the adding file in xyz. But the best method, you use a terminal for the cloud coding.